Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com hourly analysis for the US dollar Japanese yen FX for Tuesday, February 26th, 2013. Well, a current candle that's trending up at the moment, and we're looking at this second last candle here. The final candle here is a candle that's currently developing, and here we see a fairly large white body candle, a candle where we have some upside momentum from the buyers, continuing what we saw at the close of the previous trading session. We have the market now trading up above the middle pivot point level, the dotted blue line here, and also a close up above the Kijun-sen, and in a fairly bullish manner, and that does suggest that this market may trade to higher prices. With this candle, we have also seen the buyers take control of the market once again by closing up towards the highs, but not quite at the highs. It does suggest that the control is only moderate, it's not extremely strong, and we did see the buyers lose some commitment as evidenced by the shadow here on the top of the candle. The important thing here too is that the market failed to trade down below the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and below the pivot point, so that area and the indicator are now acting as an area of support for this market, and that could be important for this market as the day plays out. If we do see this market continue to rally, then we do have very strong resistance overhead. We have the bottom of the cloud around 92.61, but we also have the first pivot point level of resistance just above there at 92.75, and it will strengthen that area as an area of resistance. The only problem here with the cloud is that it's only fairly small, so the amount of resistance offered is quite weak by the cloud, but still significant. But as the market trades on throughout the day and over the next few hours, we will see the area of the cloud increase and actually also move down to meet where the market may be trading at. So the resistance offered will be dynamic and will actually move lower throughout the trading day. Now, if we do see the market trade back down through the middle pivot point level and through the Ichimoku indicators, we have the first pivot point level of support at 91.14, and then down to the 90.31 area, and then down to 90 just below there. So very strong support below. To the upside, after the first pivot point resistance area in the cloud, we have resistance around the 93.55 level, and should act as fairly strong resistance to this market. We also have the area around the previous middle pivot point level where the market tested to on a few occasions that acted as support and resistance, and that's around the 92.40 level, and just before the market trades around the cloud in the next hour or two. But looking at the current candle here that's formed also, it's still negative in the long-term time frame, so we do still have a negative bias in this market in the long-term time frame, but now bullish in the medium and fast-term time frames. We're trading above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and that is in contrast to the whole of the previous day's trading except for the final hour or two, where we saw the market negative in all three time frames, but we didn't see a lot of follow-through for the previous day's trading. The market failed to test it even down to that first pivot point level, and it certainly was a long way away, and said something about the volatility that we saw late in the previous day's trading, and stretched out that first pivot point level of support a little bit closer today. So we could see the market interact with either of these pivot point levels throughout the trading day. But interesting here for the previous day's trading, we saw the market interacting very often with the middle pivot point level, and we could see how it acted as a level of resistance combined with the Kijun-sen. So we tested towards the Kijun-sen. The market hadn't been trading above the Kijun-sen for quite some time, and now we are seeing some bullish activity above the Kijun-sen, and that may suggest that we could see the market test up towards the first pivot point level of resistance around 92.75, and if we see a bullish breakout up above the cloud and above that area, we could quickly see the market trading to 93.56.